All of us are unique. Our essence is an algorithm written by every choice we've ever made. Every word spoken, every door opened, every door closed. We are more than data. We are decision, rhythm, soul. But we handed it over willingly. Our intelligence, our instincts, our algorithm, copied, mined, monetized. When you use centralized AI, you're not just typing, you're training them. You're giving them your soul. If we truly understood what we were giving away, we never would have offered it up so easily. This is your intelligence. This is your essence. You were never meant to rent it. Don't sell your soul. Own your AI.